Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Here guys, we're going to demonstrate where the battery junction box fuse is located on a Ford F150 2016 model. You guys have two different fuse boxes. The battery junction box is the fuse box that's located right behind the car battery. Right here, that's the cover. You can see this cover right here. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see, guys, okay, you're going to see a layout like this one, okay, and you can see here you have let me zoom in. You guys have different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some replacement ones from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse for the battery junction box or the engine bay fuse box is located in the cabin on your F150, guys. So if you guys come in the footwell on the passenger side and you guys look at that kick panel here, remove that plastic on the side and you're going to see a fuse box like this one. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now right here, which fuse we need to check for that engine bay fuse box. We're going to come on the very left side right here, and next to the fuses you will see numbers, for instance 33, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fuse that we'll need to check is the very bottom fuse, known as 37. That 15M fuse is the one that is for the battery junction box as well. So you need to check that fuse right there. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.